take me over there. What the? I'm like, what?
Keep on reeling, buddy.
Hey, start pulling the other one.
Keep your pole up. Keep on reeling.
I saw it with my own eyes.
Whose is this? Is this Zach's pole?
No.
Tighten the drag up a little bit.
Evan,
Watch out, hold on, stop reeling.
tired him out.
Okay, go ahead.
Awesome.
Whose pole is this? Good job, Ab. Keep it going. Watch out, Zach. I don't want you to get hit, buddy. Oh my gosh, okay. Here, sis.
You have to reach down and get it.
Hold still, sis. Zach. Evan.
You got it, Evan.
Whoa,
You got
that
it.
was a big one.
It is a pretty good one. Good job, Ab.
You
Jump,
bad for taking me over there.
Yeah.
Take me all the way over there.
All the way over there.
I'm recording it.
Recording, sis.
Oh yeah, she's got it going on.
Yeah.
You guys having fun?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. I got the record today. And
You guys have a blast.
for my first catch, for my first shot, I got it. Ooh, bloody. Hi. Hot dog mouth. Cut it up.
Hey, you got those forceps?
Thank you.
Here you go, Evan.
When I just
You can hold on to that one. There isn't a fish on there yet, but you can hold on to it.
when I just look at that fish, it freaks me out.
Sis, that's yours,
It
baby.
freaks you out.
What?
Why does it freak you out?
It freaks you out?
When I just
Freak you out, Miss Kennedy.
still recording.
All right,
I'm
Ab.
recording yours. Recording mine.
Sis.
That's what I caught.
Say
I can't.
cheese, Ab.
Eee.
Video it.
Oh man!
Video it.
Oh.
Real quick, sis.
He just slapped himself in the face. Oh. I saw his private.
No, I think you just here. Let me see.
I saw smacked himself in the face. What? He just.
Oh, go, Zach, go. Reel it in.
Let me see it.
Really?
Sis, Ev. Ev. Give that to your sister.